This is Shelly. It is November 28th, Thanksgiving night. This is a light ship in the northern sky. I'm trying to get steady. I'm a little kind of doing the splits practically right now, so I don't have to bend over with this tripod. I'll try and go a little larger. I'm all over the place now. Okay, keeping this short. I'm gonna zoom out. Try to get a background of the car coming through. There.